let's get lit. Roll around my neck, finna jump, ain't stressing no more. Jump, 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 yeah. Baby, put your hand in, so I said, I don't love it no more. I'm with it today. I eat the hate up and spit it right there. Lyrics like bullets, I'm shooting your way. When they come, if you gon' lie, they gon' fall. I do medicine shit out of that. Prospect not from earth. I feel like I'm washed out in fabric like I'm from Starship. I bet feel like I'm coming. No way they nothing for running out of them. Oh no, you did it, you stopped it. What I got going on? Tell me what other ones. Ain't no other cool rate. This is great. Now I'm coming next to next. Like you like a black, so like a pop top. I don't even know how to hit it with some insecurities. They always exist. And the battle is hard to win. That is for everybody. Waste from the minute. And it's still in the business. I can't go on. I ain't falling back now. She need more. She got too attention. Single off my first album that came out 20 years ago. The song is called Complicated. something else.
what she does. Lay back, don't know who you are, but I'm with you.
This is Captain Jack Amoff, and I'm coming in Guys, not too far from here, less than an hour, you've raised my bass-playing friend who has one of the finest beards in the game. I don't know if it's what's in the water out here or not, but other than that guy in the front row, this is by far the best beard I've seen in the last 20 minutes. Fucking make some noise for Bays on the bass. Should have been a hockey player, especially with those jerseys that we're all wearing. And now, down here to my right, our newest member of the band. Make some noise on the guitar for Sophie motherfucking Lloyd. Now, if you don't mind, I gotta call somebody up real quick.
Hey, I wake up, my head hurts, but she got a couple bucks and Percocets in her purse. I can't front, I want first. If she got a good bag, I'ma pay what it's worth. She's mine, goddamn girl. Let me hear you say what. I need a lot of things, goddamn girl. Alright, but now just touch down. I feel it in myself. I just made it down mine. I set it out. My backseat, sweet climb. I used to run the train. It held a line like a filled up. My enemies made up of alcohol. It's been 7 days. I was on alcohol. These ain't Calvary. It's butter in my teeth. Soda in the lower. Call her up, she coming over. I wake up. My head hurts, but she got a couple bucks and Percocets in her purse. I can't try it. I want first, but she got a good bag. I'ma pay what it's worth. She's mine, goddamn girl. Let me hear you sing it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Goddamn girl. What? Now, it's hard to function when I'm without you, without you. It's hard to function when I'm without you. I wake up, my head hurts, but she got a couple bucks and Percocets in her purse. I want first, if she got a good bag, I'ma pay what it's worth. And she is my drug dealing girl. Let me hear you say it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Drug dealing girl. Sarah kills one. To trust anything else, I need to myself. Welcome to the sign. Hey, 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 hey. I don't ever wanna fall when I'm inside jump. Hey, 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 hey. I don't ever wanna. I just did an interview with my heart club. I just like to play it up that play roll. Only comments I see out of that wall. Only play that sound like all the sound one. Medicine man, no one will have it in, but I got the pressure again. I had a beating inside.
Anybody out there ever feel lost? Kill me, I used to be. I might die in California. In my mind, I had a dream. Saw a demon on my shoulder. Yeah, I know. I should probably let it go. Too many minutes watching little baby in the shitty wanna be right with this me. I just spent a winter living after someone turned us in the kill shot missing me. John Blonde down in a double X file, got a gang out Sicily. Hey, why you think they call me the gun? I'm popping up on anybody in the Trinity. Like a yellow jacket on, like I'm Kill Bill, close stripping and I still will. We can take it back to 2012, I was chopping on the tour, was a big deal. Take it back to clean when they gave trade 17 years, no plea deal. 2014 when the people trying to run me in the lobby, everything up to the deep. Sooner they mention me calling assembly, pick up a pen and put you out your misery. Written in history, it was gonna happen eventually. I was screaming to the day that I went to see the everything that I went through mentally, when it felt like everybody in the world was against me, when every critic and every article tried to defend me, my don't stop to keep a talk about me and then I'm mentally when you play, even even fame, people get checked, but disrespected the very name. 2 top 6, no low pay. 5 low 10s, got no name. Bust them shits with no aim. Niggas burn lines with the blind bone. It's a black flag. It's time to cover my face with that shit. It's only killing everybody. Get on, selling kills. Hey, I got off on 413. I rolled my weed with I shot my coat. I shot this face like Constantine. I see me there, deja vu. I see me when I look at you. I never die, I multiply. So don't cry at my funeral. I'm the one on the run away from the headlights. No sleep, I'm probably wasting time with people I don't like. I think something's fucking wrong with me. Got myself in alcohol, that shit never helps at all. I might say some stupid things, I don't even pick up this call. I've been hearing silence on the other side. I can text it on my phone, I can tell that something's wrong, but I guess it's just my life that I've been taking alone. But I'm not high in hills of California, 'cause these hills have eyes and I got paranoia. I hurt myself sometimes, it's too scary for you. Watch me take good things, fuck it all up in one night. Catch me, I'm the one on the run away from the headlights. They'll see, I'm only wasting time with people that don't like. I think something's fucking wrong with me. Let's try that all over again, but this time, do it. Turn the lights on. I'm sparing nobody. I'm looking at all of you for this. Keep it on. Keep it on until I say you're good. You in the pink dress, we're starting with you. You want me to forget you, okay? You tell me you hate me, baby, yeah, I bet. I ain't keeping you waiting, but I won't. Want me to forget you, okay? Forget me. Syracuse, get those horns in the sky like this. In the back. My name is a legend in this generation. Is one of the greatest with lyrics and cadence. I change the way rappers rock out on them stages, but some people take it and they want more famous. So why ain't get credit? I had to be patient. I know people hate me just by my appearance. You motherfuckers to be serious, hey? I shoot dice, yeah. Don't be fights, yeah. I keep my circle tight, yeah. On my own shit, keep that sugar spice, yeah. For the pros, yeah. I do nothing twice, yeah. I shoot dice, yeah. I can go with my knife, yeah. Yeah, I keep my circle tight, yeah. On my own, yeah, keep that sugar spice, yeah. For the pros, yeah, I do nothing twice, yeah. Hey, what's my motherfucking name, dog? Diablo.
Enough. I am the internet. This is your last warning. I am the internet.
Big jump for the crowd. Everyone just brace yourselves, all right? I have target lock. I'm about to blast this son of a bitch.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Syracuse, you ready? Let's go! Hey! Oh, oh yeah! Tell me what to do. 'Cause I'm not your man. You walked in my life at 2 a.m. Cause my boy's little girl is your best friend. Act like you don't see me, we'll play pretend. Your eyes already told me what you never said. Now we're in the backseat of the black car going home. When she asked me, is it wrong if I go home with you? We both drunk on the elevator when I kissed you for the first time in New York City. Drunk, I swear to God, I never fall in love. Man, you sure did. I swear to God, I never fall in love. I never fall in love, but I think there's nothing.
First off, I'm not sorry. I won't apologize to nobody. You play like I'm invisible, girl. Don't act like you ain't saw me. That shit was a mess, and how I acted was beyond me. But the past still revolves me. You trust me, I was funny, but now shit's done dead. I think I'm going second best. But look at this damage you did to me. I don't want nothing to do between you and me. Please don't say nothing, it all sounds like you me. We don't have
Get the fuck up!
I swear to God,
I never fall in love. Baby, shut up. I can't get enough of it. I swear to God, I never fall in love. I never fall in love, but I can't get enough of it. I swear to God, I never fall in love. Baby, I show up and I can't get enough of it. I swear to God, I never fall in love. I never fall in love. Let me see y'all jump, jump. Yeah. Those texts that you sent to yours, but I don't ever say it, yeah. Speaking of people getting engaged, there was a song I wrote for my wife. Syracuse, thank you for spending it with me and giving me the energy I need for today. I got one wish, and that wish is that we can all grow old together and keep doing shows and see each other for the rest of our fucking lives. Keep the music alive, most two sides. I love y'all.